Hey guys, it's Erin back here with another video. So before we get into this video, y'all, I just want to take a moment to acknowledge my skin. Look how far it has come. Like, go to my old videos and you can see. But skincare routine loading very soon. So for my first step in preparing my hair for a protective style, I like to pre-poo, and I like to use this Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy by Aunt Jackie's. Y'all, this product is amazing. If you don't take nothing else from this video, just go get that product. I'm trying to tell you, like, go get it. So for the first step in pre-pooing, I spray my hair with water, just kind of saturate it, and then I take a liberal amount of the detangling therapy that I use, and I work that through my hair, usually with my fingers, but sometimes, depending on the section, I'll use my comb, just because it's easier to reach with my comb versus my fingers. And if you want more details on how I pre-poo, I think I have a video on my Instagram, actually, of how I pre-poo, why I pre-poo. So yeah, go check that out. So to keep each section detangled while I work on other sections, I like to just throw each section into a little twist, not too tight, just to make sure that the sections stay detangled while I'm working on other sections. So step 2 is shampooing, and I like to use 2 different shampoos on wash days when it comes to preparing for protective style, and I also shampoo twice. But this shampoo bar in particular has properties in it to help prevent dry scalp, which is something that I'm always looking for in a shampoo when I'm about to put in a protective style, because my dry scalp, it flares up when I have on, having protective styles, because I'm not washing my hair as consistently. So I don't have much to say on this shampoo bar, but again, if you want more details, you can check out my Instagram, because I've uploaded a reel on this shampoo bar with all of the tea. But what I will say is that shampoo bars are amazing, y'all. Like, y'all see that lather. You really need to get your hands on one. And they're more sustainable for the earth. So if you're trying to save the earth, definitely get you a shampoo bar. Okay, so the second shampoo I use is the Selsun Blue Naturals shampoo. This one I always use before protective styles, because it's particularly for dandruff and itchy scalp. I use the natural one because I feel like it's lighter than the original Selsun Blue that I had before. So I like to use this one. It's a little bit more gentle on my hair, but it still gets the job done. It also lathers very well. So next up is deep conditioner. I use this mixed chicks deep conditioner that I added peppermint oil and tea tree oil to it. I like to just add oils to my deep conditioners to make like the perfect curl cocktail, and it really does make the deep conditioner like even better. So the only thing is, I added a little bit too much peppermint oil to this one, so I was gonna leave it on for like 30 minutes and sit under the dryer, but the way it was attacking my nostrils and my scalp, I was like, you know what, I'll just leave this in while I'm showering so like the steam could get to it, and then I ended up rinsing it out right away. But same thing for the deep conditioner as the pre-poo. I like to put my hair in twists once I've applied the product. So I ended up leaving that deep conditioner on for about 10 to 15 minutes and let the steam just kind of hit it. And then I am rinsing it out, and you can see how defined my curls are. My hair felt really, really soft. And I think it is because I added in that oil, because before it wasn't as soft, but it did feel soft and moisturized. But adding in the oil just boosted the deep conditioner for me. Next step is blow drying. This is my first time using this Revlon Blowdryer Brush. The natural community loved this blow dryer at one point, so I was like, let me try it out. 2 years later. Also, side note, Ulta always has a sale on these like once a year, and they're $20, and that's when I got mine. But I just go ahead and I section my hair off into smaller sections to work with, and I like to spray this heat protectant by NARULA. This was my favorite heat protectant because it's lightweight and it's not too heavy and it doesn't weigh my hair down. And then I started off on the low setting to blow dry my hair because I remember a lot of people saying like they could just get it done on low. Personally, it didn't really work for me like that, so I had to bump it up to high eventually. And then I always go over like the last, like once all my hair is blow dry, I like to use the cool setting just to make sure my scalp is dry. And I didn't end up blow drying it super straight because of the protective style I was doing. I decided I didn't need it super straight, but like just as long as it was stretched and dry was good enough. It didn't need to be like super duper straight or anything. So, quick review of this Revlon Blowdryer Brush. Honestly, I would not recommend it above any other blow dryer. I have like 3 other blow dryers, and they work better to me than this does. So I wouldn't really recommend this blow dryer. Honestly, it's convenient because the handle doesn't get hot, but that's really the only thing it has over the other blow dryers. The other blow dryers work faster, which is most important for me. So this is the amount of shedding that I had from this blow dryer, which is very good because I don't think I have that much shedding from this wash day overall. But I am done. Stay tuned for pictures of the protective style that I ended up installing. If you guys made it to this point in this video, make sure to leave me down the comment of a sunflower and hit that subscribe button right before you leave that comment. Don't comment without subscribing. Please and thank you. I'll see you in my next one.